Sorry for the shaky ride. I forgot to grab the steady cam. It's in the back somewhere there. We are on our New Year's Eve trip to the West Coast. We've never been over there before, so we're really excited. We are going to be going down the Forgotten Highway to the Republic of Whangamōmona. It's this crazy place, we'll tell you about it when we get there, that has decided they have seceded from New Zealand. It's this really cool place. We had to check it out once we found out that they've just established their own republic right in the middle of the North Island of New Zealand. So we'll be spending New Year's Eve there and then heading down towards New Plymouth and Mount Taranaki. Go see a volcano, check out a whole cool new area that we've never seen before. And then from there, heading up the coastline over to Whangamōmona to do some cave tubing with glowworms.
Awesome spelunky cave tubing.
Yeah, and then home. So just a quick little 4-day trip around the west coast of New Zealand to visit some places we've never been before, and really excited about it.
Joshua Morgan's grave. I don't know who that is.
Probably a colonist.
Probably a colonist, yes. But it's a nice little break along a stream here. Cool looking bridge, so just a way to get out and stretch our legs. We're about a half hour from the pub, assuming we don't stop and look at other things. Oh wow.
So nice and cool.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was going on this side of you.
Oh my gosh, it's so nice and cool. It's nice to get out and stretch.
I almost died. I'm good.
All right, so this is the unpaved section of the Forgotten World Highway. Going nice and slow. But this is so pretty out here. The glare on the windshield is awful. I apologize. How's this?
Good.
It's fun, right?
Yeah. I promise I'm going slow, Flag.
When you borrow your friend's car to drive this. Actually, it's not that bad. Yeah. It's really actually very even. Wow. Pretty pretty. That's so cool. Wow. Look at the struts up above. Oh my gosh. Wow.
This is insane.
Old mining tunnel, yeah? I assume?
Yeah, well, it's the old train tunnel.
Oh, it's the train tunnel.
Yeah.
That is so cool.
Wow.
I realize, I don't know if we're getting any of this on audio because this is
don't
plugged
care.
in still. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're not, but that's okay. That was awesome. I'm just gonna turn the air off. It's our cute little room.
Real cute.
It's just for sleeping.
I like it.
Take my bed.
Great.
We got our little wash sink.
Nice little wash basin. Couple of end table. Nice bed.
Use Presidential Park. Oh, glare. There we go. Then
Yeah.
there's one here and several in there. I won't go in there because if someone's showering, I don't want to be that guy. So here's out the back. Awesome view of the hills.
It's nice that the showers are individual rooms and individual stalls.
Yes.
That's actually really cool. Really nice.
If we go out this way, ta-da! We're up on the balcony in the front of the hotel. Cool stuff. I'll have to go through a walk around town.
Along come Parkyard with a whitewashed face. Hey, he said to the Maori, what you call this place? They say Tamma the Fock, a tangy hangy cola, where with Tamma a poke like a noy keating its ahoo. That don't like cricket. Whoa, look. I love it. And like holiday. Don't like reggae. No, no.
Happy New Year from our hotel room. We're old and didn't stay up.
We're awake. All the horns.
Ow! That was my head.
Watching it.
Oh, there's some fireworks. Happy New Year.